Hello and welcome to this first tutorial video on how to make a coat with hood for your ragdoll. I'm choosing a medium weight fabric because this is going to be a winter coat, so this pyjama top is perfect. It's not too thick, but it'll give us a nice weight of coat. There are no obvious marks or tears, so I've got loads of great fabric there to use. I'm going to pair it up with this pretty cotton poplin that has a lilac floral print that will pick out the colour in the pyjama top, and 4 buttons. It doesn't really matter too much about the size because I'm using loops rather than buttonholes. I haven't bothered to unpick this pyjama top, if I'm honest, because it was overlocked, so I've just cut the seams off. I've got loads of fabric, more than enough for this project, and probably enough to make, if not another coat, then maybe a fleece top at another date. So there we go, loads of great fabric, and the back as well. And the front, what I've done with the front, because it had this really pretty little snowman print with a robin perched on his antler there, I've cut that out, and that will make a great little embellishment. I've drawn out all of the pattern pieces, and I've jiggled my pattern pieces around to get the best use of fabric, and just the back and sleeve are enough for this project. That leaves me an entire sleeve and also the front, so there's loads there for my next project. Here it is all cut out, my hood back with lining, hood sides with linings, the front yoke and back yoke, the 2 pockets with pocket linings, the 2 sleeves, and the fronts and the back of the main body of the coat, all ready to go. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe. We'd love your feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.